Ever wondered why Turkish cuisine is so diverse and mouth-wateringly delicious? This vibrant cuisine, globally recognized for its rich flavors, owes its diversity to a fascinating blend of cultural influences. From the spicy aromas of the Middle East to the fresh, crisp tastes of the Mediterranean, Turkish food offers an irresistible culinary journey. It's a tantalizing tapestry of tastes, a symphony of spices that leaves no palate untouched. So what makes Turkish cuisine so unique? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the history and evolution of Turkish cuisine. Did you know that Turkish cuisine dates back more than 1,300 years? It's a gastronomic odyssey that goes far beyond the iconic kebabs and baklavas that have taken the world by storm. Let's rewind to the Ottoman Empire, which ruled for over 6 centuries. The empire was a melting pot of cultures, with culinary influences from the Middle East, Central Asia, Eastern Europe, and the Mediterranean. This fusion gave birth to a cuisine that is as diverse as it is delicious. The Ottoman court, with its opulent banquets and refined palate, played a significant role in shaping Turkish cuisine. They elevated food to an art form, with meticulous attention to presentation and a penchant for combining sweet and savory flavors. But the exchange wasn't just limited to the empire. Geographically, Turkey is a bridge between East and West, and this transcontinental position brought an influx of new ingredients and cooking techniques. The neighboring countries of Greece, Iran, and the Caucasus contributed their own flavors, further enriching the Turkish culinary palate. One can't discuss the history of Turkish cuisine without mentioning the Silk Road. This ancient trade route, stretching from China to the Mediterranean, was a highway for cultural exchange. As caravans traveled loaded with precious silks and spices, they also carried with them culinary ideas. New ingredients like rice, various nuts and spices were introduced to Turkish cuisine, adding complexity and depth to the dishes. The history of Turkish cuisine is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. It has absorbed the best of many cultures while maintaining its unique identity. The food tells a story of empires, trade routes, and cultural exchanges. It's a history that can be tasted in every bite, from the humble lentil soup to the grand Ottoman pilaf. Now that we know about the rich history, it's time to explore the evolution of Turkish cuisine. Turkish cuisine is not static, it has evolved and continues to evolve. Like any great culinary tradition, it's a living, breathing entity, shaped by the ebb and flow of history, geography, and culture. The evolution of Turkish cuisine is a tale that spans centuries. It's a story of culinary innovation and cultural exchange, of new ingredients and age-old recipes, all coming together to shape the vibrant and varied cuisine we know and love today. In the early days, the cuisine of the Anatolian Peninsula was simple, rooted in the bounty of the land. Grains, legumes, and fresh produce were the bedrock of this early cuisine, cooked over open fires or baked in earthen ovens. Meat was a luxury, reserved for special occasions. As the centuries rolled on, the culinary landscape began to shift. The Silk Road brought new ingredients into the fold, like the chili pepper from the New World, spices from the East, and the tomato from South America. With the rise of the Ottoman Empire, the cuisine underwent a significant transformation. The Ottomans, with their vast empire, had access to a wide array of ingredients, and they employed skilled chefs to create dishes that were as sophisticated as they were delicious. This was the era that gave us the baklava, the dolma, and the pilaf, dishes that are now synonymous with Turkish cuisine. In the modern era, Turkish cuisine has been shaped by the forces of modernization and globalization. The advent of new cooking technologies and the influx of foreign influences have led to a cuisine that is both traditional and innovative. Turkish chefs are now experimenting with new techniques and flavors, creating dishes that are a fusion of the old and the new. Yet, despite these changes, the core principles of Turkish cuisine remain. The emphasis on fresh, quality ingredients, the love for spices and herbs, and the importance of hospitality and sharing food. These are the threads that tie together the tapestry of Turkish cuisine, from its humble beginnings to its modern iterations. With such a dynamic evolution, it's no wonder Turkish cuisine is loved worldwide. From kebabs to baklava, Turkish cuisine is a paradise for food lovers. This statement is no exaggeration. The Turkish kitchen is a vibrant dance of flavors, where the savory meets the sweet and the traditional intertwines with the contemporary. Let's embark on a culinary journey, starting with the ubiquitous kebab. The term kebab may sound familiar, but Turkish kebabs go beyond the common skewer-grilled meat. There's the Adana kebab, named after its city of origin, a fiery blend of minced meat and hot peppers. Then there's the Iskender kebab, succulent slices of doner meat served over bread, generously lathered with tomato sauce, melted sheep butter and yogurt. But Turkish cuisine isn't all about meat. A beloved vegetarian dish is the imam bayildi, a delightful concoction of eggplants stuffed with onions, garlic and tomatoes. The name translates to "the imam fainted," a testament to the dish's deliciousness. Now, no discussion of Turkish food would be complete without mentioning the country's obsession with egg-based dishes. Menemen, a hearty breakfast dish of scrambled eggs cooked with tomatoes, green peppers, and a dash of red pepper flakes, is a prime example. Desserts hold a special place in Turkish cuisine, balancing the savory with the sweet. Baklava, layers of flaky pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey, is a dessert lover's dream. But it doesn't stop there. There's also lokum, also known as Turkish delight, a chewy sweet treat dusted with powdered sugar and filled with a variety of flavors from rosewater to lemon. In Turkish cuisine, the ingredients are simple, yet the flavors are complex and diverse, showcasing a balance of sweet and savory that is nothing short of a masterpiece. Each dish, be it a humble street food or an elaborate banquet dish, is a celebration of Turkey's rich history, culture, and love for food. Indeed, these dishes are a testament to the culinary prowess of Turkish chefs. They are the heart and soul of Turkish cuisine, a culinary tradition that is as rich and diverse as the country itself. So, what makes Turkish cuisine so special? Well, it's not just about the food, it's about the story behind it. This cuisine has a rich history that dates back centuries, shaped by the diverse cultures that have inhabited the region. It's a culinary tale of empires, trade routes, and local traditions. Every dish has a story to tell, from the Ottoman palaces to the humble Anatolian villages. The evolution of Turkish cuisine is a testament to its adaptability and resilience. It has absorbed influences from all corners of the globe, yet has managed to retain its unique character. From the hearty kebabs to the delicate baklava, each dish represents a fusion of flavors that is distinctly Turkish. The popularity of Turkish cuisine is undeniably global. From New York to Tokyo, you'll find Turkish restaurants serving up traditional dishes with a modern twist. The unique flavors of Turkish cuisine, with its blend of sweet, sour, and savory, have captured the palates of food lovers around the world. The wonder of Turkish cuisine lies in its diversity and richness. It's a cuisine that celebrates the bounty of the land and sea, with a wide array of dishes that cater to every taste. From the smoky flavors of grilled meats to the refreshing taste of yogurt-based mezes, Turkish cuisine offers a gastronomic adventure that is both delicious and memorable. Indeed, the diversity and richness of Turkish cuisine make it a gastronomic treasure. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the flavors of the world.